back to my channel. So I guess I'm gonna do an impromptu clean the kitchen with me. I was just doing a crock pot recipe. I'll link it down below. It's for garlic lemon butter chicken. It's really easy. It's like 6 to 8 chicken thighs, lemon, Italian seasoning, garlic, onion. I'll link it down below. It's really quick and you just put it in the crock pot for 4 hours. But now the kitchen looks disastrous, so I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see. This is what I need to clean, and I need to clean really quickly because I need to go pick up a curbside order from a craft store for something I'm doing tonight with my church. So I'm going to get to cleaning. Y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up the video, and also leave comments for any video suggestions or ideas, and hope you enjoy.
y'all, so that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all be sure to hit that red subscribe button and the thumbs up, and leave any comments down below for any future video ideas, and hope y'all have a great day.